them all. And then I got you off your knees, got you right back on your feet, just so you could take advantage of me. Tell me, how's it feel sitting out there, feeling so hard but too far away to hold me? You know I'm the one who put you out there, name in the sky. Does it ever get lonely thinking you could live without me? Live without me. You know I'm the one who put you out there. I don't know why. Thinking you could live without me. Live without me. You know I'm the one who put you out there. I don't know why. Tell me, how's it feel sitting out there, feeling so hard but too far away to hold me? You know I'm the one who put you out there, name in the sky. Does it ever get lonely thinking you could live without me? Live without me. You know I'm the one who put you out there. I don't know why. Thinking you could live without me. Live without me. You know I'm the one who put you out there. I don't know why. Thinking you could live without
Also hit like get out to the world. So what's up? As you can see, it is bright and early in the morning time, and we are just gonna get right into it. And let me pop this real quick. Let's just get the day going, guys. So we're going to be keeping a close eye on a lot of things right now going forward. We're seeing what Tilray is going to be doing this morning. We did make some long calls for January 16th. I don't know how long I'll be holding these. We will see. But also, I wanted to see exactly where Sundial was going to be going this morning. Looks like it's not a botched play because we just got to see exactly where it's going to be going in the time being. So currently it's saying that, or I don't know why this was saying something different. Oh, that's my train. So the train price is at $18.16. So we're gonna see if Tilray is gonna have some bounce off of this position right here. The RSI level is very, as you can see, it's at a very low point. I'm really hoping for some little bounce back, but we'll see if that is going to be the case, because this is a very good resistance level. As you can hear in the background, that is my little one, and hopefully he won't be that loud today. But what we're going to be looking for with Tilray is a nice little bounce back. What? This little guy, this crazy guy right here, let's tell you a story. So he woke up around 5 o'clock and still hasn't gone back to bed. Talk about crazy guy. That's a crazy guy right there. That is a crazy guy. But yet again, we're going to be watching this very closely. We might get out of position, but we're also just watching everything from the RSI level. And the 1 hour chart is looking very, RSI level is very low. What? I'm live. I'm live, guy. You want to be live? Trying to make... I was showing you everything yesterday. Yeah, he's 9 months old. What? Let's see if it hangs out at this position of 1883. Give me a second, guys. So that's the stuff that we're going to be looking for at the beginning of the day. Also, there was a thing I was looking at, which was pen gaming, of course. I like playing pen. And everybody, remember, I'm not a financial advisor. Every single trade that you will do you will lose money. So don't even attempt it. You can if you want, but I'm more just here for educational purposes and entertainment. But I'm going to be keeping a close eye on pen gaming. I did have a pretty good drop off. I don't know if I feel bullish or opposite with pen gaming right now. It's steady Eddie going in a kind of like a straight line like that. So we're going to see exactly what it's going to do coming here in the future. But yet again, Tilray is RSI levels. Last time the RSI level was this low, and it had pretty good bounce off of. So we'll see what exactly that happens. But the news is only good, positive news. So, pen gaming might be a decent just morning day trade. It has gone lower than the position of. It's gone lower a little bit. I think it has some room to go down a little bit more. But the RSI level is at a point of 35, so we're just going to keep an eye on here, see if it breaks this plane of 78.92 or 78. Yeah, 78.92. Anything lower than 78, it's probably going to be pushed down. But we will see what goes forward with today. Honestly, what I think with pen gaming, what's going to drive up the price is when it hits NFL season. That's just my personal opinion, my prediction of what's going to happen. Because looking back at it, the last time it was at a very high point was basically when the NFL was still in session in the Super Bowl. So just be ready for some trades and daddy duty at the same time today. But we're going to get after it. And now I'm just going to see what's going to be going on. I really But you see this like trend line that I made? It's kind of following the trend. So I might be getting out of that position for a little bit, just going forward, but I really feel like it's gonna have a little bit of bounce back, because look at this RSI. Actually, let's see. At the morning time, the RSI went like that, so it might have some bounce, which will catch it going up, and then we might catch it going down, because like Tilray does like kind of stay in a position like that. But also looking at this, look at this. So the RSI level is already at a low point. It did drop even lower, but it did have a bounce back. So we're just going to keep a close eye on Tilray. We're going to see exactly what it does going into the morning time. But I always just like looking at the past, and unfortunately, the past repeats itself. So we'll see exactly what's going to go and happen with Tilray. But it did have some bullish news yesterday. See if any other Rhode Island legalized approved in Senate. So that happened. Federal research bill got voted on in one of the committees. So we'll see what happens, but I do like what happened yesterday when it just kind of just rode this little consolidation type of thing, what I like to call it. But it can lead to a consolidation downward, because it does have the potential to move down that way. So we're just, like I said, we're going to keep a close eye. We're also looking at Marathon to see what it does in the morning time. We did have a pretty good trade with it. Why are we moving backwards? Why are we moving backwards? I really want to get back to this point of resistance of 1882. What? You want to come in? How do you have so much energy in the morning, bud? 6:20. You're a baby. Feel like just looking at all the technicals that I look at, see how it's overbought, the moving average exponential, but it is going in a downtrend, so it might still be going down. Stop touching, bud. It's not yours to touch. You're gonna be going back down. You wanna go down? You wanna go back down? So this might be a possible just get out quick type of thing. Sundial is still just trading at $1.06. But also that like inflation numbers are going to be coming out today too as well. see how this goes this morning. Let's see how we have everything. I'm just gonna be looking at a couple things right now. Isn't that crazy? Gary Vee's already live. Oh, it's all he lives in New York. I was gonna be like, he's live, but he's in New York. Just reading some stuff in the Discord. What are we screaming about, bud? Look at it. Still going forward, even farther back. It's like, good. Hey. Alright guys, we're gonna be 5 minutes away. We're gonna be down right off the bat. We're gonna be down like maybe like $100 in my prediction. Okay. SPY did have a rip up yesterday. Pretty nice, significant rip. Went up like $2 right after. I think that was because of Apple. Tesla might have a rip up. Tesla can have a rip down. So I'm not 100% sure which direction it's going to go, but there's a good volume amount of people trading right now with Tesla. And guys, if you don't like my setup, just don't talk shit, because this is what I like. What? See, even he talks some smack sometimes. I think we're gonna have a red day at the beginning of the day, just with Tilray general. Hopefully we can have a good rip up, but as you can see, it does have some potential to move lower, in my opinion, just with this little funnel I've been making. And when you make like trend lines and everything, you don't have to be perfect. As you can see, it's kind of overlapping a little bit, but we'll see what this little guy wants to do. So it doesn't have any resistance levels at this point. So, yeah. 1 What? But it might rip up to about 1988. 1853 is maybe another place of resistance. 1840, 1853. What? You're gonna go night-night? You wanna go back night-night? You just did it at the best, greatest time, bud. Yeah, it's not my favorite looking entry. Yeah, but we're gonna be watching this very closely. I think I'm probably gonna get out if it goes lower than 1850. It's gonna be my stop loss with this play. I'm gonna be looking for some bounce back. It might bounce back to about 1881. If we get past that level, I'm looking at it probably going to a level of probably 1992. But we'll see what happens. It's like it can have a pretty big movement. This is another resistance level that I'm like looking at. Is around this price point of 1936. So we are 1 minute away. There we go. Let's see. We are 1850. Currently are down a little bit. How much are we down? About 300 with this play. First candle. See how this candle looks. Not the strongest. Come on. Let's go. Go, daddy, go. Go. The SPY's getting crushed right now. It's a really bad candle. Marathon's getting hit a little bit. See what kind of reversal this brings us with Tilray. I do like that looking of a candle. I don't like that. See how the SPY recovers. So the thing that I'm looking at right now is level 2. Look at that. Now we just wait. We wait. Down $400 with this trade right here. Just give me some volume, guys. I'm not getting the most volume right now. Madison, you're gonna go night-night. Yeah, you're gonna go back night-night. Yeah, you're already yawning. There's more people selling though. It's the only thing. Alright guys, I'll be right back. Give me a second. Alrighty guys, I'm back and on track. Kiddo is asleep now. So I might get out of this trade. The thing that I'm looking at is just the number 2, and then I'm just looking at basically who's the winning and who's losing in like this little area. The buyers are the sellers. Alright guys, that was my favorite candle in the world. Maybe we'll get a little help from the market. Nope, the market still wants to go the opposite direction. Alright, let's get past this little hiccup in the moment. I'm not really focused on anything else, I'm just going to be watching this. If we pass 1883, I'm going to be really pumped. But we need to get past that point. Alright, we pass. Oh. Come on. We need a strong candle at that point. We need a strong candle. If we can get past this exponential moving average, that will be good. Marathon did have a drop down of about $1 this morning. Alright, past this exponential moving average. Oh, let's just see if we can keep going. We still have some room to run on the 5-minute chart. I like this candle looking, but we just need to stay above this. Got a new 5-minute candle. Yeah, our next point we need to get to is about, basically, I want to get back to the level of like 1916. But they're going to use this as resistance level. No new news. See, we're using, starting to be a resistance pad. I do low-key kind of wish. See, that's not the best looking 1-minute candle. There's a lot of sellers. Marathons going back down. SPY, it's not looking so great. We might have some pullback, but hopefully it will hit this position right here and make it a new resistance level about 1883. Only thing I want to see right now is just the volume. I want some good volume going into this. Looking at these volume levels with this, I'm not 1000% pumped, but we're back on track. But we're at that resistance or that RSI level over 70, so we might have some pullback. I'm gonna get out of at least possibly like 6 of these. Remember, I can always jump back in if I really want to. Alright, we need to get past this level of about 1916. Yep. Get me out. Get me out before I go. Oh, I don't know what to do with Momo. Get me out so I go. Alright. Let's just go reflect on that play. Remember, guys, we were down like almost over $400. We're kind of at the same spot that we were at the beginning of the day. But I don't see any momentum going forward with it. So I feel like it's going to have a pullback just because of what it's done in the past. As you can see, if it ever has gone up in the morning time, there's a possibility of going higher. But I just don't feel that bullish on the play in general. But we do have still 100 shares of Tilray, so we're gonna let that ride just to see what other things are happening in the market. Alright guys, I need to do some stuff real quick. I'll see you guys later. Good talk though.